So let me talk you, this is a really interesting product.
This is a new model.
A new model that we recently brought to the market. This is like an evolution from the SPF, old version we have. Now it's called SPE.
The SPF models is 6 kilowatts maximum.
That's right. That's the off-grid. SPF 6000 off-grid. But now we have this one, which is single phase from 8,000 to 12,000 watts, and it can work off-grid and on-grid, which is
single phase 12 kilowatts. Single phase.
Single phase. So it's a big improvement, and can work either way, off-grid or on-grid. You can place low voltage batteries. Not only Growatt models, but also other models like Pilotay or Dynas. You can also plug a generator, and also you can split loads, critical loads and regular loads.
Oh.
So it's a really nice solution that we brought to the market this year.
And this model?
This model is not available for the Spanish market, so I'm working it, but it's available for Germany, for instance.
Greece?
Greece, I'm not sure about it.
Okay.
We'll have to talk to ask some of my colleagues. This is like the SPH, the SPH single phase. The advantage is that it got a smart load control and a backup. And the smart load control is a feature that you can set up when the battery is too low.
Battery is full, you can charge your car. Maybe.
Yeah, you can, or you can say, okay, when it's up to 50% SOC, I only want to provide energy to critical loads, and then you can do that. And this one, it's also a new product. It's a three-phase inverter with backup integrated, but it works with low voltage batteries. This is something also new.
The stack is 20 kilowatt hours.
Each module is 5, and you can pile up to 10. So altogether, it's 50 kilowatt hours. There is no BMS because it's low voltage, and the BMS is integrated in each module. Every module. And also, there are no cables in between them. See, it's only plugged like this.
The only cables you need is to the first.
It's this one, communication and also power cable to the first module. The rest of them are just like
Yes.
connecting like this. The special one, this is the MID hybrid inverter, but the new thing is that the backup is integrated on it. Same with the MOD HU. Backup integrated, hybrid inverter with high voltage batteries, APS.
High voltage.
Yes, these ones are high voltage. Yeah. On the left, you have the mean XH, which is the old model.
15 kilowatt hours. This stack, 15.
No, this one, it's the upper model is the BMS.
No.
And then you have
10.
two modules. And it's 5 each one, so it's
10 kilowatt hours.
You can place up to 6 modules altogether, so that will be 30. But the MID has the option to plug 2 clusters of batteries. So this will have two clusters of 30, will be 60 kilowatt hour altogether.
This is on-off grid.
No, this is on-grid.
On grid. Big battery storage.
Yes.
For
This is also something new.
for farms, photovoltaic farms.
Yeah, this is something new as well. We developed inverter at 50 to 100 kilowatts, hybrid with backup, and also compatible with this rack of batteries. You can place up to.
This is only inverter. Only inverter. Is
This is only inverter. It's quite big. Because with this inverter, you can you can place this cabinet, which is 209 kilowatt hour. This is the outdoor cabinet, but also we have an indoor cabinet, which is a simpler one and a cheaper one. And it's also modular. This cabinet right here, it's compatible with this inverter. The inverter is on the side. So this is a smaller inverter. It goes from 50 to 15 kilowatts, and you can place up to 6 inverters and three pieces. All on grid or off grid. They both can parallel.
This model is available in Greece?
I think so. Yeah. This is more or less the new models we have. Because here is just a diagram of. Probably you are really familiar with it. Maybe the only new thing here will be the smart meter. This is a Growatt smart meter. You can communicate wireless with our devices.
If I want to produce my power in my home, photovoltaics, off grid. I don't want power to inject in grid.
Yes.
I have to use this?
Yes. This is the smart meter which controls the export limit to the grid. That's right. And you can place all together, all the devices connected to the same app in the phone, so you can control everything.
Smart load. This inverter is with smart load.
This model, it doesn't have a smart load. It got a lot of features, but not the smart load ones.
They talk together. If the battery is full, I want to start the charging my car.
Yes, there is an option called PV linkage. It will charge your car only with when you have PV panels energy. Or you can either way charge it only from batteries.
Straight to EV charger.
It goes through the inverter, but because the inverter knows that the energy is coming from the panels.
So this charger is AC charger.
This is AC.
I think it was a DC charger.
No, it's kind of DC, and then you have to.
No, I know. Yes.
The DC chargers are not available for Europe yet. We have a big one, DC charger, but it's not available yet.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.